For a change, I'm saying welcome to Devon. In Dorset today. We're on the North Devon coast and it's looking like it's going to be spectacular. The horizon is clear, there's a good bank of clouds up there and I'm playing with some big waves by the sea, so it should be cool. As you can see, horizon absolutely clear. It's been a beautiful day down here. I had a wonderful walk up over the hills, and it's time to take some pictures. Clouds are looking superb. We've got amazing coastline. We've got some incredible waves, and we got these rocks in the foreground that are fantastic. Waves are just getting them wet, so the sun's reflecting off them. So this is what I've lined up at the moment. Portrait, focusing on the rocks at the end of the crevasse there. For a pre-sunset picture, I'm really pleased with that. Well, as you can see, this looks pretty epic. Superb waves, clear on the horizon, some clouds in the skies coming over. We've got some wet rocks in the foreground here that I'm going to use for reflecting the colour of the sun in the sky. But I've just got to be really careful of these waves because these are quite big. Still about 20 minutes to go before the sun sets. Maybe a bit less actually. I love this place. Right, the sun's just about to go down beyond the horizon. So because it's clear on the horizon, the bottom of these clouds are going to light up. I believe they will light up orange and pink. There's quite a lot of clouds up there to pick up some colour, plus some light wispy clouds above. So pretty hopeful this is going to kick off quite spectacularly. At the moment I'm just been playing around with compositions, just using this crevice in the rocks in front of me as foreground interest, just leading it through into the sea and up to the sun. Beautiful, loving that. Alright, might bring the histogram up a little bit. 1.5 seconds, f11, ISO 50, just on the extended ISO range. Watching these clouds develop all day, and didn't think it would quite get this good. There's quite a bit of interest in those clouds up there, so it's going to kick off in a minute. As soon as that sun goes down, pretty nice. So gorgeous, big waves. We don't get these in Dorset. There you see, sun's just popping below the horizon. It's all starting to light up. I'm just redoing a shot that I did here last year. The lines are looking really good now. So we've got this pathway in front of me that leads down to where I was standing a minute ago before the sun went down. And there's a lovely curve, S-curve, through and up to the rocks. And obviously the colour of the sky. We've got some nice lines up there as well. The high cloud have really caught the colour. The lowish cloud hasn't, which is a bit disappointing, but hey ho, can't have everything. So this is my shot. I'll just go in there. So I've got the steps, I've got the wildflowers in the foreground down here. Got the steps leading down to the beach. I've got the full S-curve of the beach.